that we're talking about is SW Solar, that is Sterling and Wilson Solar. Shravan from Hyderabad, he's holding 100 shares, bought at 449 a piece, so he's sitting on a loss of 15,000 rupees right now. He wants to buy again and average it from a longer term perspective is what he's saying. Though it's long term, Brijesh, I'll come to you because he wants to average out at the current levels. We've seen a significant amount of pressure on the counter. Last 6 months down for almost 48 odd percent. Today also the stock is down by about 5 odd percent. And if I'm not wrong, it's also locked in lower circuit. We checked that. But your view with regards to where technicals are concerned, yes, so it is locked in fact in lower circuit today as well. Where technicals are concerned, is this the right thing to do? Should he average it out right now or should he book losses?
If his vision is for the long-term perspective, I think he can average it out because level of 200, 215, this is the level from where the stock has formed the base formation. It is in downtrend. It has to strongly sustain above 400 levels to recover the strength and then come into a positive zone. So, but then if he's willing to take some risk, then averaging is the best option and review the position close to 400. And eventually in the near future, whenever it sustains above 400, then the scenario may get changed. But then, yeah, it is advisable to do some averaging at current level and hold the position.
Okay. Hold and average at current levels. Is that what you said? Average at current levels, Brijesh? Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the view with regards to where Sterling and Wilson is concerned. Our next caller, Prashant, is calling in from Pune. Prashant, I believe you have a query on Trent. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. I have 22 shares of Trent at the price of 5,840.
Okay.
And I have bought this down after a lot of averaging because my initial cost was a little high and still having about 10.5% worth of loss.
Okay.
So I don't mind holding on to this share for 6 months to about a year.
Okay.
But so I wanted to know the view. Should I exit or should I keep on holding it?
Okay. So Prashant, if I'm not wrong, you bought it at elevated levels and averaged it down. Am I correct?
Yes,
okay.
That's right.
Okay. And did you see the fundamentals of the company while buying it or did you see the technicals?
No.
Okay. I think we seem to have lost his feed. All right. Got his query per se. Brijesh, I'll come to you again on this one. Trent is the counter. 5840 is his average acquisition cost. With regards to where charts are concerned, what's the view like? And also Trent is expected to post its earnings tomorrow as well. Overall, what are the technicals indicating?
See, we are positive on this counter, and we are at the lower levels. I think it is advisable to take the long bites. From the long-term perspective, that is from 4 to 5 kind of a months. I think it can go back to 6,200 levels. So this is the area from where the selling came. So I think it's a hold, and if you is willing to average, I would take that call. And 6290, 6300, 6300. This would be my immediate view on the trend. So we are positive on this counter.
Okay, overall a positive stance is what we are looking for Trend. But let's